Look, doing hard things is never going to be fun. And even after years of me waking up at 4 in the morning, it never gets easier. I'm going to be honest with you. So all the hard things that you're going to do in your life, you're going to have that internal motivation making you do those things. And today I'm going to show you the tricks that I use every single day to help me motivate me to do the things that I don't want to do, but I know I got to do because it's going to help you out. Let's hop into this. Number one, I want you to start slow. Look, anytime you want to do something hard, you shouldn't just jump right into it because most likely you're going to quit once you see how uncomfortable it is. So for example, let's say your hard thing is you just want to start going to the gym. Don't just hop into paying for a membership and going for a 2-hour session. No, I want you to start working out at home. Making it a habit that you're going to work out for 10 minutes every day, let's say at 6 at night, right? Whatever your time is. Every day you do that for a week. All right, let's bump that up to 15 minutes. Then the next week, we're going to bump it up to 20 minutes, then to 30 minutes. See, we're going to slowly start making a habit of you taking out a chunk of your day and making it a physical activity. Once you do that for a month, now you're going to pay. And now you're going to go to the gym and spend 10 minutes there. And then we're going to roll it up to 20, and then to 30, and then after a course over of 2 to 3 months, you're going to gradually work your way into this hard task that now it feels effortless. Which rolls us on to number 2. Find your why. Look, the best motivator you'll always have is that why. Why am I doing this? I know my why, right? I know why I'm waking up early. I have a very ambitious goal. I also have a family. So I need to get all my work done and have enough time at the end of the day so I can spend time with my family. So my why is I got to get up early, get it done because nobody else will do it. You need to find your why. Whether that's to lose weight, whether that's to build your business, whether that's to crush it at school and you have to spend hours at night at the library, what's your why? Is it to retire your parents? Is it to live comfortably? Is it to buy yourself a Lambo? It doesn't matter what your why is, but find it and keep that thing ingrained. Number 3, I want you to use a crutch. Look, everybody can have a crutch. Everybody can have something that can make those hard things a little bit more palpable. For example, a good one is always music. See, music can make any hard task more palpable. You're going to the gym and it's early, you're by yourself, you don't want to lift, you blast some music, now you're motivated. You're working, you're typing away, it's been hours, you're getting numb, you blast some music in the background, now you're motivated. It's almost like the monotone or the difficulty of the task fades away as you're listening to something that you actually like. This is why, for example, I carry earbuds with me almost strapped, especially mine from Raycon, just because these everyday earbuds, they're so useful, bro. Like, I can take them from the gym, to work, to driving, to running errands. They just go with me everywhere. And since they lock into place in your ears, these things never fall out. And what I love about Raycon's everyday earbuds is how they look and feel, especially because they come in so many different colors that you can find one that suits your style and your aesthetic. And the beauty of it is that they have optimized gel tips, so they have a perfect in-ear fit, like I said. So not only will they stay in place and not budge, they're also ultra comfortable. They offer 8 hours of playtime and 32 hours of battery life, and Raycons, they're priced just right, bro. You get that quality, that look and feel of high-end earbuds, but you're getting them at half the price. And it's no wonder, bro. Like, if you go right now, click the link down below and go to Raycon and look at their everyday earbuds. They have over 48,000 5-star reviews. I'm telling you, if you have hard tasks that you want to do, for me, music is always it, and probably it's for you as well. And if you want great wireless earbuds, you have to check out Raycon. Like, you're not even going to break the bank. Moreover, if you guys click the link down below and go to buyraycon.com/TMF, you're going to get an extra 15% off your purchase. That's going to make these earbuds that are already affordable, crazy affordable. So if you've been wanting some nice earbuds, bro, click that link down below. Check out the Everyday Earbuds by Raycon. Again, buyraycon.com/TMF, get 15% off. Number 4, have an accountability partner. That quote that says, like, misery loves company, when you're doing something miserable that you just hate doing, it's truer than ever. Having somebody else to deal with that, through with that, could be a great thing. Find another dude that's on your same path with your same goals and just sync up. So if your goals are to wake up early every day and go for a jog, find a dude that wants to do that, or a partner that wants to do that wants to hit the gym, that wants to build the business, that wants to go through med school or law school, and you both want to go through that miserable path. All these paths are gonna suck, and finding somebody else to be able to go through with that helps you stay more accountable and stay on track. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you, out of all my tips, this is the one that I least like. It's super effective, but it has a massive downfall. You are basically tying your motivation to somebody or another person. So if that person ever decides to quit on you, which a lot of people do, you will most likely quit because your motivation was tied to them. So it's a great way to start and get motivated, but don't build up that dependency. Number 5, understand biology. Look, your brain is wired to take the path of least resistance. Goggins calls it, listen, what kind of bitch you're being. So when you hear your brain telling you, yo, stay in bed, you need some rest, you need to sleep more, don't lift that weight, that's too heavy. Or leave that project for tomorrow, don't put that much effort. This is just biology kicking in to try to get you to preserve as much energy as possible and take the most efficient path, the one of least resistance. And it's the path that 99% of people cave into and take because that's what they're telling themselves. Yo, this is what I should do. This is the easiest route to take. I want you to take the hardest route. So understand biology, understand you're not alone, and understand, listen, what kind of bitch you're being. And finally, number 6, enjoy the process. You have to enjoy the process you're taking. Whatever hard task you're doing that's uncomfortable, that you need motivation for, chances are you're doing them now because you want to reap the rewards later for whatever that is. Whether that's to lose weight, to make more money, to earn a degree, whatever that path is, right? I want you to enjoy the process that you're taking. Even though it's miserable, I promise you're going to enjoy who you become, who you change into, who you evolve into. And that process is usually, I'm telling you now from experience, it's almost always the most rewarding part of the process, more rewarding than when you actually get to the end goal of achieving whatever it was that you wanted to achieve. So actually take a time, even though you feel miserable as you're doing this, take a time to enjoy what you're doing and weirdly get motivation out of that, even though it feels like crap right now. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to share this video so we can help out other dudes get self-motivated when there's hard things to do. That's it for me today. See you next time.